Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 16. I am Francisca Mailiana Zunki, your lead tutor for this challenge. All right. So today we are looking at dashboards, right? We've already looked at dashboards, but what we looked at was scattered chat. So you're going to talk about dashboard layout. Your dashboard is supposed to be clear, concise, speaking to the camera, sorry, speaking to you directly. When someone sees your dashboard, they don't need to come and call you that what does this mean? They should be able to read it straightforward. So I have opened my GitHub, right, which we are going to go through my old project for you to see the dashboards that I have taught. Like I teach and I put it on my GitHub. So you're going to see the dashboards that we've created on my GitHub as well. And it's also going to guide you if you want to start your GitHub project and all that. You can go through that as well. All right, so let's get to GitHub now. Okay, so now we are here, and it's not black, it's my settings that has make it dark mode. Okay, so that's just this. So when you come to your GitHub, this is the home tab, this is me here and all that. This is where it gets interesting. The repositories are actually your data, like actually your projects. Okay, so we are going to go to my repositories, but let's go here, right, and go to my repositories here so that I see it. I see only those ones. And yeah, so this is the current one that was updated yesterday. Okay, so updated yesterday, and I'm going to show you the dashboard we created in class, right? You can't see much about it, but this is it, right? And it's talking about, used three questions, right? We were looking for three major insights, and so the charts were just specifically for that. So that means that you don't need to have a lot of that charts in your dashboard that will tell you that, oh, you are doing the work. Okay, so far as you are, please hold on. All right, so far as you are showing what you need to show, that is it. Do not think of, oh, I need to actually make it a lot. Okay, so something simple that can be read easily, simple that can be read easily. All right, so when you go through, you see that I also add technical reports. We are talking about dashboard today, so that is what we are going to focus on as well. So this is a pie chart, this is a column chart, this is a bar chart, there's also a column chart. Then we have some cards here that are giving summary, right? So your dashboard is supposed to be straightforward, giving summary of whatever you search for. All right, so let's go back to my repositories again, and let's look at revenue analysis. So this is another project, and this is another dashboard which is very old, right? And it just talks about what we want to talk about. So this is a superstore revenue project analysis, and this is a this is the dashboard. It's giving about, we have about, give or take, 12 charts here, and you can see the pie charts, you can see the column charts, you can see donor charts. This, as I have grown, I'm not going to do this again. This is too much. This is very, I can't understand it. Do you get? I can't understand it, so I'm not going to do this again. Instead of having this, I'm going to have it in a bar chart, which is easier to understand. I'm not going to have this as well. All right, so your dashboard is supposed to be straightforward and also have a minimal color or one set of color. You can see that this is blue all throughout, but it's light blue, deep blue. So do not play around so much colors, otherwise it becomes harsh on the eyes of people. But just play around one set of colors as well. All right, let's go back to have another one checked out. We have let's see, customer behavior analysis as well. So this is also a very old one. Okay, so you realize that your dashboard is not for beautification, but it has to be beautiful. It's not for beautification, but it has to be beautiful. It's for storytelling. It's for you to tell the story that, oh, when I was doing this analysis, these are the major things I saw. So with this, it says what number of items sold per month. All right. So the as again, if I was to do this whole project again, I'm not going to use a pie chart, or I'm not going to use this chart. I'm going to use a column chart. All right. All right. So this is so I would have just given you the beauty, but I want to show you the errors that we do as we learn, so that you know that when you do the error, it's not that you don't know it, you are learning through the process. Okay. This is was another one. I'm not going to do this again, no, because it's hard to read. So let's go and have a recent one that is easy to read. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Yes, I think this is it. Right. So you can see that my pie charts have how many categories? Just three categories. So the lighter one is camp 2, the deeper one is camp 3, and then the medium one is camp 1. So you can see that, okay, the highest is what's camp 3, which is deeper, right? So I my categories are just 3, and then I use a pie chart for it, and it's easy to read. So now when they see that, okay, camp 3 is the highest with 44.83%, they come to the table here and see the amount. Do you get the count of it? All right. Same goes here, the percentage. So this is the cost, right? And this is the revenue, and this is the profits we receive from uh each of the campaign that was done. Do you get? So it's easy to read. So if I tell you to read this, you'll be able to read it easily. That's the goal, right? So when we come here as well, you see the column chart. So camp 1, and it's comparing the revenue and cost. So camp 1 cost was this, and then the revenue that came was this. Camp 2 was this, campaign actually was this, and all that. So you can see the comparison with the bar chart. Do you get? And we have the line chart with the three of them. So now the revenue is the highest, right? And then we have the sum of cost, and we have um the profits as well. So you see that, okay, this is the profits that we have and all that as well, and you have them the actual amount here. Okay, so this is what we are talking about, that your dashboard should have one set of minimal color, right? So you can play around the color slides deep and all that. Also, your dashboard should also be easy to read. So if you are not in the room, they should be able to read. So if you come to my GitHub and you search for my name, Francisca Mailiana Zunki, and you come on my platform, and you're going through my repositories. I think someone has given me some stars. Okay, you can go through my repositories, which are about 15, and go through. I'm not supposed to be there to tell you, but you can read through my project, right? And then you see what is going on easily. That's what a dashboard is. A dashboard should be easy to read and very concise. All right. So I have shown you for the previous days. I have shown you like scattered dashboard or scattered chart, and I've shown you how I have arranged and I've shown you my old ones and my new ones as well. So I hope you've learned a lot about dashboards now. All right. All right, my people, we've learned about dashboard layout, right? There's no one specific way to lay out your dashboard, but the most important thing is that your dashboard is supposed to speak to your audience without you even opening your mouth. They are supposed to read it and understand. They are supposed to see the colors and know what the colors are talking about. They are not supposed to be irritated by their colors and all that. So your dashboard is supposed to be straightforward. So when you are doing your analysis and you set out your objective questions, you know why you are doing the analysis. List them down. Okay, at the end of the day, my dashboard is supposed to show the it's supposed to show maybe the total of this, the average of that, and show the chart of this, chart of that. So my chart will be 4, my chart will be 6, my chart will be just 3, and it's talking about this, talking about that. Have that plan before you do your dashboard. Okay, so dashboard layout, when you go online, so you can search for dashboard layout and you see beautiful ones, but then pick inspirations from the ones that you can use to speak to your audience easily. Is very, very important. Okay, I hope you learned a lot about dashboard. For the past few days now, I've showed you different charts, different layouts, and I hope that when you are creating your dashboard, you're going to make it beautiful. All right, okay, see you on another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this channel to a friend who is learning data from scratch. Don't forget to share it to even SHS students, JHS students. Share it with them. Share it with your younger siblings so that they can learn. All right, I hope you are blessed with what we are giving you. Right, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. We need it. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening. Hey, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day, and enjoy your day, enjoy your year. And okay, tomorrow is a new month. All right, happy new month in advance. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.